Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Neil and I'm really excited to share today's video with you. Before we jump in, please hit that subscribe button to support my channel. It means a lot to me and helps me keep making great content for you. Okay, without further ado, let's get started. We have this figure and we know that the perimeter of this figure is 12 and we are going to find the maximum area of that. Okay, so we know that the perimeter of this figure is all sides, the sum of all sides around that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 x's. So the perimeter is 5x plus, and we have for this side y plus, and how about these two sides? So we don't know exactly the value of these two sides, but we know that this part, the length of this side is y, and the length of this side is x as well. So we just need to subtract x from y to find the sum of these two sides, the length of that. So the sum of that is y minus x. Okay, and the perimeter is 12. I just want to collect like terms. 5x minus x is 4x, and y plus y is 2y equals 12. To simplify this equation, I'm going to divide both sides of this equation by 2. So we have 2x plus y equals 6. And now I'm going to express y in terms of x. So y equals 6 minus 2x. So far, so good. And now I'm going to write the total area of this figure. I just want to split this figure into two pieces. The first part is a square. I'm going to call this A1, or area of square, which is the top of this figure, plus A2, which is the area of a rectangle. Okay, the A of a square is A1 plus A2 gives us total area. Okay, as I said, A1 is a square, and we know that the area of a square is x squared, the square of length of one side, plus A2 is the area of this rectangle, and we just need to multiply the values x and y, width and length. Okay, so total area is x squared plus xy. But we have two variables, so for solving this equation, I just want to substitute the value of y into the area. So okay, so a equals to x squared plus xy. Instead of y, I'm gonna write 6 minus 2x. Now I'm gonna simplify this equation. X squared plus 6x minus 2x squared, and collect like terms. X squared minus 2x squared is minus x squared plus 6x. This is the equation for area of the figure. And now we are going to find the maximum value of this area. As you can see, the power of x is 2, so this equation is a parabola, and because the coefficient of x squared is a negative number, is negative 1. So this parabola opens downward, or we can say that this is downward opening parabola. Okay, so if we want to draw this graph, it's gonna be something like that. And this is the vertex. So because we have minus x squared, so it opens downwards, so we will have vertex here. And as you can see, this is the toppest point of this parabola, and we have a maximum point here. Maximum point. So in order to finding the maximum area of this equation, we just need to find the x and y coordinate of this maximum point, the vertex. Okay, in previous sessions I talked about the formula that we can find the x coordinate of vertex directly, and the formula is this: x of the vertex is gonna be negative b over 2a. And what is b? In a quadratic formula, in form of, let me change the color, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. We have these coefficients a and b, and c is constant. So we just need to substitute the values a and b in this formula to find the x coordinate of the vertex. And in this equation, b is negative, b is 6, and a is negative 1. So substitute 6 in the equation and a, which is negative 1. Negative 6 over negative 2 is positive 3, the x coordinate of the vertex of this maximum point. But we are looking for the y value. So for finding y value of the vertex, which gives us the maximum area of the figure, we have two strategies to find y. The first one is substituting the x value into the equation, and the second way is to using another formula, which is negative b squared minus 4ac over 4a. This is a formula that you can use, but the second strategy, as I said before, for y of the vertex, you just need to substitute x into the equation. I'm gonna use this one because I think in this case it's simpler. Okay, negative x squared plus 6x. So negative 9 plus 18, y is positive 9. Okay, so the maximum area is the y coordinate of the vertex, which is positive 9, or just 9, because the area is going to be only a positive number. So this is the final answer of this question. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.